connected.
So we are out in the garage. This is Mark's 2013 Triumph Tiger Explorer 1200. He had the arrow slip-on on it, but he wanted to try something different, so we're going to see how this works. So what we got was the Scorpion Red Power, I don't know, RTR 730E something. It's a carbon fiber, beautiful, really nice, really a little shorter than the arrow, so I can't wait to see how this sounds. Ooh. Oh.
Box in a box.
Box in a box. It's light, right?
Very light.
That wasn't very Casey nice to have it open. I'll have to like pop things together to make it more entertaining.
Two pieces of pipe. It was a little earlier. I put it on today.
You're not gonna put it on?
Not today.
Are you serious?
It's fucking freezing out here.
Oh, come on. Ooh, red ring.
Pretty dope.
Looks good, right? That's going on right now. I got news for you.
No, I just got dinner. Really? You want to do it right now?
It'll take a second and a half to bolt it on. You serious? You don't want to hear it? All right, put that delicate piece of beauty down, and let's see what the pipe looks like. That is nice.
Tell me that is not gorgeous.
That is
right there.
nice. Look at that.
Hand laid, baby.
This is, ooh. You don't want your fingerprints all over it.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh, I was waiting for you.
I'm ready for you, man. First startup.
That's the same.
It's a little deeper.
Pull the baffle out. Pull the baffle out. See the difference.
Go ahead.